Yeah, what up, my people? You're welcome to the second day of my $50 30 days challenge. All right. So today was another very beautiful day. I made $27 from the market, and I'll show you exactly how I did that. So let's dive in. So one of the beautiful thing about today's market was that I actually gave the same signal during my live trade. So let me show you exactly the signal that I gave during my live trade, which was this loading right here. Okay. Now, watch carefully. You could see that was exactly the trade that I took. And I'm going to explain exactly why I took this trade, the conditions that I see that actually made me to consider that we're going to be having a buy in the market, all right? So let me go ahead and remove all the drawings that I have right here, okay? So, when I come to the market, I love to draw out my previous day liquidity on 4 hours time frame. So I'll just go ahead and draw out previous day liquidity. That's Tuesday's liquidity. So I got one at the top here. So I consider these two together. And I got one at the bottom, another one right here. Then this bearish candle, I also got another one beneath it, above, then above right here. All right, so that was it. All right, so going back to my 5 minutes time frame. Now I got all of this on my 5 minutes time frame, okay? So what I consider was, I've always been telling you, whenever there's a ranging in the markets, something is about to happen, all right? So I look at the market carefully, and I could see that we have consistent rejection at this level. So I then consider that level to be a key point, this level right here. So I consider that level to be a key point, all right? So then I drew it up to this level. Now, I could see that when markets reached the level at this same place, the market also rejected back to the upside, all right? I mean here, okay, the market rejected to the upside. So that shows me that it's actually turning that level to a very good support level, all right? So I respected that. And I also have to consider it from the bottom because I'll be considering the both parts. So I actually consider this level to be the next support level, all right? So this was a resistance level for this strategy we have right here, and this was the next support level that I was looking at. So, you gotta be looking at what reaction do we have during all of this trade at my key point, because all this line that I drew are my liquidity and they're my key point. So I went straight to Forex Factory and I confirmed that we're gonna be having 3 high impact news today. So that gives me good interest that, right, we're going to have good volatility in the markets today. So what I did basically was, I like to trade exactly during the opening of the UK session, which was 9 a.m. in my local time. And that was this candle. Alrighty. So that was this candle right here. Now the candle showed me bullish, all right? And I could see that this market is trying to turn this place to a new support level. So at this level, what I did basically was I went for a long, all right? I went for a long exactly at this level. Then considering below this level, that is the next liquidity at this level as my stop loss. And I could see that I have a liquidity at the top, all right? So I target the liquidity at the top. Now, I love to close partial trades, all right? So I could see that we have a liquidity right here that was created, that was today. And I was feeling like, okay, the markets could have reaction at that level, okay? So these are one of those things you need to understand in the market. When you're looking at the market, are you considering that, okay, you're having a liquidity and you suspect that the market's going to play around this liquidity most of the time? Yeah, it's real. You should be able to determine that, okay, what you're seeing, is it the fact or you're having some kind of manipulation, okay? So basically that was what we got at that level. And I choose to pick this place as my first take profit. Now look at how markets reacted at that level. When markets reach this level, just watch out. Watch out what happened at that level, right? You can see that markets have some kind of ranging at that level. That shows that it's a real key point. You understand? So I took a partial profit at this level. Now, I was waiting to see what's going to happen in the market, all right? So I actually choose to be like, okay, if I have the second take profit, fine. And if I don't have it, it's okay. I don't want to close the second one partially. I could see the liquidity at the top, and the power of decision making is really matter in the forex trading markets. You understand? So I made my decision that, okay, I'm going up. So right here, if you look at this market, we have a kind of manipulation because the market fake out to this level. And basically, a lot of people are going to feel like, okay, since the market fake out to this level, maybe partially the market want to go for itself. But that was a kind of manipulation, right? So you could see the market just took out this liquidity right here and returned back to the upside. Now, let me show you what gave me full confidence to hold my trade. Can you see, even right now, when I'm still talking about how I took my trade, the market is still going up. All right, let me show you what gave me the full confidence to wait for my second take profit, all right? You should be able to determine what trend you have in the market, all right? So let me go straight to my tool right here and have the trend drawn out. So check from this level up to this level, we have a trend down. Then we got it to the upside, then down, then got it to the upside. Now, what do you notice at this level? The market is creating a trend to the upside. Very obvious. Check it out. Creating a trend to the upside. Very obvious. All right? So that shows me that, okay, this market is going up. So I just got the full confidence that, okay, we are going up. You understand? So that was why I waited to see the take profit. And you can see it was a very beautiful one. We got beautiful pips. Okay? So the first day was profit. Second day was profit. Actually, I promised to trade for 30 days, but I've changed my mind. The target is $500. When I make $500, that's going to be the end of the challenge. I know this is really interesting. And if you find this very, very interesting, make sure you hit right on that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notification. Use the comment section to ask any question. Watching things like this can help you to improve your trading skill, because this goes beyond just drawing some kind of lines or just saying, okay, ICT trading, say when it's 9 p.m., you do this, when you do that. No, you're reading the market, and that will really tell you what is happening. That's why you need to watch videos like this. So just take out of your time for the complete 30 days or probably $500 target that I'll be having. Make sure you watch every of the video to the very end so that you're going to learn new lessons, all right? So you can use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. And as I always say, if you really want to be a good trader, you need to go beyond watching just YouTube videos or reading ebooks. You need a live mentorship. You need a one-on-one mentorship. Someone that can really tell you the fact about trading, that can really show you what you need to understand about the Forex market. So that is why I've opened the room for anyone who really wants to learn Forex trading for real. So you can sign up for my live one-on-one mentorship, and you're going to get all you need at that level, all right? So that's beautifully what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow. I hope we have another Blue Pips tomorrow. So cheers. See you guys in my next video.